Congratulations! You've successfully finished creating a course. Mission Mind Meld is complete. Your knowledge and expertise guided every stage of the process, and that's no small feat. Before the content ever reaches the students, it must run through a multifaceted process we call implementation. During this process, our team will work closely with you, your company's IT team, your administrators, and other instructors to implement the course and deploy to students. During implementation, we will complete a QA pass on the course, train administrators and instructors on the platform, integrate the course with your learning management system, test the integration, and finally, deploy the course. Implementation is managed by our customer success team who will guide you through each step. Let's break down each phase of implementation, starting with Content QA. As an SME, you've helped write all the scripts, watched all the videos, read all the lecture notes, and reviewed the activities for the course. Because of your proximity to the material, it's best to bring on an additional SME or another stakeholder to conduct a peer review of the content from inside the platform. A fresh set of eyes is helpful for identifying problems that may have been overlooked during course development. This peer review is the ultimate evaluation of the course. The peer reviewer will access all the material and review the course, noting any accuracy issues he or she may find. The reviewer will also take screenshots of the issues they record and provide detailed directions and annotated images on how to correct the issues. Once their review is complete, their suggested changes are compiled and reviewed by the original SME and client team. While changes are a natural part of the ADDIE process, there are always related costs. These changes will require a new price estimate and a new agreement before the Fulcrum team can make the revisions. Once we've agreed upon a new scope of work, Fulcrum will dive into the changes. The next phase of implementation is training. Your client success manager will walk your team through various training topics, including understanding the student experience, accessing the course content as an instructor, using data reporting and analytics, creating course instances, enrolling students, and authoring content. Your client success manager will set up initial training for your team and will be available for questions and additional instruction as needed. The client success team will also be your liaison for technical integration. This process ensures that the Fulcrum course will connect with your LMS or content management system. Additional development costs may be required for your particular system, LMS, or reporting needs. Once the course has been implemented, we recommend a full end-to-end test of the product. This means your team will need to generate a student login via your LMS and then conduct a test to ensure students can log in to the Fulcrum product. This end-to-end testing is a crucial step in ensuring a smooth deployment of your course to students. And now it's time for the final stage of the implementation phase, deployment. As always, we strive to make sure the instructional goal we set in the analysis phase is the focal point of the implementation process, and we're often asked how we can maintain that focal point during the deployment phase. One way we do it is by presenting learners with a pretest. Here, a student's baseline knowledge is assessed prior to the start of the course. Then, after the student has completed the course, we deploy a post-test to see the changes in the student's scores. Another method of assessment is to use data housed in our system to see progress. If you would like Fulcrum to consult on pre-tests, post-tests, and data gathering, just ask your client success manager to review your options. During deployment, we'll also monitor student feedback to look for errors, bugs, or inconsistencies in the course that may need to be addressed. We'll report those back to you so we can evaluate them and determine if course changes are necessary. Now that we've walked through all of the phases of the implementation process, it's time for the final phase, evaluation.